Beauties, good day and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I say thank you so much for clicking, thank you so much for stopping by, and to my old subscribers, I say thank you so much for the love, for the support, for coming back. I really appreciate it. So today I will be doing traditional bridal hairstyling. I don't know if you've watched my previous video. This is like a part 2 of it. So for more details on how I got to prepare the hair before styling it, please go back and watch my previous video. It's going to help you understand how I got to achieve this whole thing that I'm doing right here, because repeating it would make the video too long when I know that I already have it in my previous video. So if you are interested in knowing how I got to achieve whatever I'm doing right now, just go back to watch my previous video. It's also titled bridal traditional hairstyling, and that's the part 1. This is the part 2, just it's a different style. Watch it and you understand better. People, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, I'm pleading once again, please click on the subscribe button down below, the red subscribe button. It's totally free. Also turn on your post notification. There's a little bell icon just close to the subscribe button. Just click on it, so whenever I get to post a new video, you'll be notified. Because sometimes YouTube, it's possible they don't get to notify you, but once the bell icon is on, you'll get notified, so you don't get to miss out on any of the details. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, show your girl some love, like this video, leave a comment, share with friends. I'll really appreciate it. Please, thank you so much. Generally, traditional bridal hairstyling is very easy. If you want to see how I got to create this bun that I'm fixing on the hair now, just go back to my previous video. That's the part 1 of this video, traditional bridal hairstyling. I left a detailed video or a detailed tutorial on how I got to achieve this. So please just go back and watch it, you will understand better. And then if you've watched that video before now, I'm sure this is going to be very easy for you. It's not going to be something new for you. So this is a hair extension already weaved that I'm attaching to the hair right now. It's hair extension, but we know it as attachments. Also, I use a bobby pin to secure whatever I get to attach to the hair, both the bun and the attachment. It's bobby pin I'm just using to secure it, so it's firm. Nothing too much, nothing so complicated about it. And if you are watching the video closely, you'll notice that I got to fix one large bun at the back of the hair, as you can see in the video. And then after doing that, I attached the hair extension, which is the attachment at the front. And now I'm going in with another bun that I got to create on top of the hair, just to cover her hair itself. If you pay attention to details, you know that it's something very easy. Like I said before, if you want to know how I got to create this bun, go to my previous video. There's a video showing how I got to achieve it. So just do that and you'll understand it better. It's already looking lovely, right? Yeah, it's very easy. This is just it. It's as simple as this. So now I'm just going back in with my bobby pin to still secure whatever part I feel is not strongly secured. So I'm just securing it, and then after that, the moment we've all been waiting for, styling the hair, or do I say adding more spice to pepper them now. So I'll just be using my bead to like style the hair. This process is a freestyle. Whatever you decide to do is your choice. You just do whatever you want to do, however you want to fix it on the hair, however you want to put it, whatever pleases you, just do it. Me, I'm just doing what I feel that okay, I love. I would want to see how it comes out, and so I just got to do this one. You can do anything at all. Whatever it is you want to do with the bead, however you want to do it, it must not be like this. At the end of the day, it's still going to be nice as long as you do it in a way that is pleasing to you. So that's basically it. I'm just using the bead to go around the hair and make it look more presentable and like make it befitting for the name, which is the traditional bridal hairstyling. I know by now you should be like, wow, you see, I know it's very easy, very easy. I was just playing around with the bead, doing whatever I feel that okay I want to see. It's nothing particular, there's no process, there's no particular procedure you have to follow to achieve this. It's just a matter of choice. Whatever you want, you do it. Guys, at this junction I must say I'm proud of myself. Like, your girl is proud of herself. It's not easy, I know, and still it's very easy to achieve this. So please to encourage me, at least like this video, subscribe, comment, share with your friends. It will encourage me to do more, and I promise to put out more contents that you will love, as long as you get to encourage me, because I'm here for you guys. I'm here to give you what you want. So please, if there's anything you want to see, any other video you want to see, please just leave it in the comment section. Is it gele tutorial, more bridal hairstyle, is it white wedding hairstyle, whatever it is it makeup? Just leave it in the comment section, and as far as it's within my power, I'm promising you guys I'm going to drop a video that is related to that. So I would love to hear from you guys. Let's communicate, let's chat down in the comment section. So we've come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys loved the end result. I hope it was okay. I hope you loved it. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up, like this video, comment, and I really appreciate it. So thank you so much for watching. God bless you, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.